How to uninstall Cici. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove this app. First of all, navigate to the place where the app is located. Now simply tap and hold on to it. Here on the top, you can see this eye icon. Simply tap on this eye icon. So basically we in this app info. In other mobile devices, you can directly go to settings and open app info. Now here on the bottom, tap on uninstall. So this is the place where you can uninstall. Now before removing the app, make sure you have your user ID and password saved, because if you want to reinstall it, you might need it. Now head on OK. So let's wait for some time, and as you can see, the app is completely gone. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.